In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on microphone access on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath app permissions, select microphone. Toggle microphone access to the on position at the top, as well as for any relevant applications you want to have that permission set for as well. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.